Hey, what's going on? It's your favorite ProTinkerToys employee, the one, the only, Magic Mack, here to go over this nifty new set from Auto World. It's the Gold Rush Go for Gold. It is SRS 357. It's 18 feet of track. It has a double helix right here. You see that? 2 360 turns, double helix. And it's got this squeeze track. Okay, so this is just my take as an amateur. It's pretty well designed. I do like the helix. And then whoever at Auto World, I'd like to thank you. You put that squeeze track at the most convenient spot to make it more challenging, right? I've had to learn real quick on this. And then you got that curve. And then what was cool about this is on the straightaway, they put go for gold. So I really like that. You can make this turn pretty quick, but once you do, you can't on that, right? And it's like, okay, what I like about the squeeze track is it messes up with your guide pin, so you gotta do it real smooth. And then you've got that turn, right? So you gotta think about both things at the same time as you're trying to push it through this helix right here. So, you know, it's not a big track. I know the Victory 400, that's what, 36 feet of track. This is like a middle size feet of track, but I enjoy it. It's worth the fun. Let me show you a little test run with it. I'm gonna do one car right now. I'll do the red one. It's the dump truck, and this is just clever. I actually like this, right? The detail on Auto World, I gotta show you right here. Just check out that detail, right? I mean, they've even got mud on the front windshield, right? And on the side. I mean, they did an excellent job in the detailing, right? Now later on, I'll go over something else that's new for this specific set, and it has to do with the chassis, but let's just look at the detailing right now. I mean, it's just fun. I enjoy the theme, and look, even the bed of the truck has a patina to it. So and the tires, they got the mud on them. I really enjoy that. It just kind of, it helps my experience with racing, is just kind of the detail into the theme of the car, right? And does that pop up? Oh yeah, even this pops up right here in the back. Danny's trying to show me without saying anything, right? Look at that. And just, you know, you can even read it. Caution, danger, stand clear when tailgate is open, back off 200 feet. You can even read the PUCO number right there. That's funny that they would do that, right? But just the attention to detail in the design of it, it just helps the experience of the whole theme of the set. So let me show you this red truck. Let me show you what it can do, right? Now, I'm not the best racer, all right? So those that are watching, they'll be like, he's not pushing it hard enough, da-da-da. Hey, this is my set. I'll do with it what I want, all right? So here we go. All right. And another thing about this that I forgot to show is, if you do it, see the lights? If you put it right there, that's pretty good. I like to burn rubber, Danny. Don't give me that look. I like to burn rubber. All right, here we go. See how they did that squeeze track right there at the end? See, almost gets me every time. All right, not next time. Let's keep going. I mean, it's just fun. It's the right amount of difficulty. Oh, all right. Now I'm gonna try both. I'm gonna double fist this. Watch and learn, he says. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yellow took a spin. He's coming back. All right, who do you got, Danny? I'm going yellow. Oh, red. It gets harder when they go apart. It's harder to keep track. Let me see this one more time. They're so close, but they're not touching. Oh, dang. One more time. Here we go. I was like, there we go. Okay, so now let me talk about what's new with Auto World, and that's the amp chassis right there. Look at that, right? That's pretty smooth right there. I like that. And look at the pickup shoes. Now, a lot of people say, oh, you need more surface area, yada, yada, yada. As long as it's making connection, you don't need all that surface area. You just need it to make the connection. That's the whole design, to power the DC motor, right? You don't need a giant pickup shoe. More surface area is better. All right, I'll try not crash it. Oh, I gotta get my hand-eye coordination better, all right? I'll admit. All right, here we go. It's my party, I'll do what I want. I can't, like, it's too hard to do it. I keep losing track of which one's which. Here we go. All right, so that's that. But let's compare it to this one right here, the extraction. All right, let's see how well it does. All right, let me start at the same spot. And you know what, these AMP chassis, that stands for Accelerated Modern Performance. That's what it is, Advanced Modern Performance. I said accelerating because I mean, the acceleration is exceptional. That's why I've been saying that. All right, let me get the right one. So this is the extraction. Maybe. And then this is the AMP chassis. I mean, the acceleration on these is pretty slick. It's way better powered. And it's a CAN motor, so you can just take it out, get it going, right? I'm having too much fun with this. See, I can do it one pretty easy. Doing both controllers is too hard for me. I'm not there yet. Almost. It's that squeeze track. So that's what I like about this set, is like, it's difficult and fun. There we go. It's just not a simple loop. I really like that helix. I don't know. I'm really convinced on these AMP chassis. Oh, all right, when I crash, I'll give my final say. That's if I crash. This may be a long video. Oh, okay, I crashed. I tried. All right, so that's what I think. This is Gold Rush, go for gold. It's SRS 357, right? It's available at ProTinkerToys. This is Magic Mack signing out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, all right?